How to record calls on Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Messenger. Now start your call on the Messenger. Then scroll down your notification panel. Now here you can find an option for screen recording. Or you can go to settings. Now tap on the search bar and search for screen recording. Tap on it. Now start screen recording to record your Messenger calls. Make sure to enable the toggle for record microphone sound and select record system sound. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.